To check the efficacy of various security agencies, 4th edition of Pan-India Coastal Defence Exercise Sea Vigil 24 will be conducted on 20th and 21st November this year. The 4th edition of Exercise Sea Vigil, conducted by the Indian Navy, will span an unprecedented scale both in terms of geographical reach and the magnitude of participation, with involvement of 6 ministries and 21 organizations or agencies.
Sea Vigil is a pan-Navy exercise. It involves all the agencies and the authorities who are associated with maritime security, coastal defense, offshore security. This includes about 6 ministries and nearly 20 organizations. It is being spearheaded by the Indian Navy but has got very prominent participation from the Indian Coast Guard, the State Marine Police, the Fisheries Department, the Port Authorities, Director General of Shipping, CISF, BSF and many other agencies.
The focus will be on strengthening the security of coastal assets like ports, oil rigs, single point moorings, cable landing points, and critical coastal infrastructure, including the coastal population. Western Naval Command is responsible for the coastal defense of the states of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, and the Union Territory of Daman and Diu. Exercise Sea Vigil 24 will be conducted simultaneously in all coastal states and the union territories of the country, wherein thorough audit of complete coastal defense and security infrastructure will be carried out.
To keep a check that our coastal line is totally secure, Indian Navy along with several other organizations are conducting Sea Vigil, which is the exercise wherein all organizations related to the sea are connected. We understand that Sea Vigil, which comprises of Indian Navy, Coast Guard, Mumbai Police, Marine Police, DG Shipping, DG Lighthouse and many more are totally involved in this, and this will take place on 20 and 21st of November, and we can understand from then that the security, the forces will be further strengthened. With camera person Gaurav Kagra, this is Shama Mishra for DD India, Mumbai.